Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Vita Malt with ginger. This malt pack is a 12 pack and it's in cans. You normally have them come in bottles, but these are cans, so it could be a little bit more durable for packing or taking places. So that's good. The cans are regular size cans too of your Coke or Pepsi or Sprite type of cans. These are non-alcoholic malts, so you don't have to worry about getting drunk when you drink them. And it tastes good, delicious. I used to drink these all the time, especially when I was a kid, and I'm glad to find them. I hope this review helps.